Hello, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to open the command prompt and then also retrieve the output from some basic commands that you could paste into either a program, a word processor, notepad, something like that, or into some type of a form if you're having problems with your computer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pointer all the way down to the bottom left corner of my Windows screen, and I'm going to open up my taskbar down here. In my taskbar I see a search window. Now sometimes on Windows 10 you won't see that search window, so you'll have to open Cortana manually, and to do that I'll simply click on my Windows button, and I will scroll all the way down here on the left hand side until I get to Cortana, and then I can open it from here. Now I can type in my search window, and I'm going to type the letter CMD. That's for the command prompt. And once I get to that, I can just click on it and open it. Now the command prompt opens a box here. You can't do too much with it, but you can actually go into here if you want to, and you can click on properties. You can change the font size, the layout, the colors. There are some things you can do with this if you choose to. I've already resized the font to 18 just to make this a little bit more readable. Okay, so now I'm going to issue a basic command just to see what's going on with my computer's IP address. So I'll type in ipconfig. And I'm really just typing this so I have something to show you, so I can show you how to retrieve the output. Now when I take my pointer across the screen here, I get nothing. I can't highlight text. So there's a few things I can get around that. The first way is if I right click on the top of my toolbar, I can go to edit and then hit mark. And that's telling the command prompt that as I scroll my cursor across this box that I want to mark information. So I'm going to mark this information right here. Now once it's marked, all I have to do is hit the enter key, and it's copied that information to the clipboard. So now that it's in my clipboard, we can prove it's in my clipboard just by going here and hitting edit and paste, and you'll see that information in my clipboard. Now I can email it to somebody, or I can also paste this in a forum for somebody if they need to see what's going on from the command prompt. There's a couple other ways I can paste. I can also just hit Control V to paste, and there we have it. Now there's another way to get all of the data out of your command prompt also, and the way to do that is I'm going to hold down Control and hit the A button, and that selects everything. Now I have to hold down Control and hit C, and that will copy everything that's selected. Now I can go in here and Control V, or I can just right click and hit paste, and now everything that is in my command prompt is in my text file because I pasted it in there. Everything made it. You can scroll down and see it's all in there.